Your pick 4. Gates open, that up, and racing. We step up, draws for your lead. Devil in disguise, sorry outside. Big time bunging, running in between runners. Then by the rail, Rockwell, Federal Court, and trailing the group is Best Strike as they rounded the last 600. Step up, leading the field, about to throw the challenge on the outside is Devil in disguise. Rockwell is running in third, big time bunging, Best Strike, and Federal Court as they turn for home. Two runners keep on matching their strides together. Devil in disguise, sorry outside, is step up is by the rail. Rockwell with the last 100 more to run. Devil in disguise is step up. It's Devil in disguise is step up in second, and finally Devil in disguise is step up. Rockwell, Best Strike, big time bunging, and Federal Court comes in last.